Hello, welcome to a surprise video. So basically मुझे वीडियो बनाना था because I wanted to tell you guys who the giveaway winners are, which by the way we are gonna find out who the winners are together. And I want to show you कि मैंने क्या लिया है for all of the winners. We have the 3 bags here. Extra bag. I had so much fun shopping करने में. Like I bought so many cute little everyday useful items. At least I think they're pretty good and useful. I hope you think the same. And I'm very excited to show you what I've gotten for each person. Watch till the end because in the end we are going to use ChatGPT to find the winners. I love Daiso. I got all of this stationery from Daiso and I got books too. If you want new stationery, school ke liye, college ke liye, you need to go to Daiso because it's so cute and affordable. But it's like Miniso range, but I feel like they have more stationery supplies. Like they have really nice pens जो Miniso में नहीं मिलते हैं. Firstly, let's start with bag number 1. I have randomized सारे items, like basically about 3 of each piece that I got, and like उसमें मैंने 3 different colors ले लिए and वो तीनों में डाल दिए. Firstly, I got a book for all of you. I got a book for each packet. Of course, I got Club You to Death because I need you to also read this book. So I got Club You to Death for 2 packets and a different book for the third one because उनके पास 2 ही Club You to Death थी. Now all the fun stationery stuff. Firstly, I got these mechanical pencils. It's 5 का set and it's so pretty in these like really nice colors. And I thought ये तो सबके लिए useful होगा. Of course, you'll need pencils. Then I got these really nice pastel highlighters and they have 2 tips on the 2 ends, like एक thicker side, एक पतला side. This one is in blue, lavender and yellow, and in another packet I have different colors. I got a set for myself also and I tried them out and it's so good. And because मुझे थोड़ा diverse रखने थे ये packets because I want something that everybody can use and that that everybody would find fun and interesting. So I also got very cute skincare headbands. This one has little blue ears on it. This one's for all the skincare and makeup lovers. I also got a phone ring thing. Like basically you stick this to the back of your phone and then you can put your finger in the ring so that you can hold the phone. I thought this was really useful and something that you won't find all the time. Also, बहुत useful cheese, especially if you're going to college. I got these stickable hooks, stickable hooks, and they can carry weight up to 1 kg. You can just chipkao this anywhere and then you can hang stuff on it. Then I got this little pouch. You can use it as a stationery pouch or a makeup skincare pouch. This one is pink and it's transparent. I really like transparent pouches, especially bag mein rakhne ke liye, because then you can see the stuff you have inside and just take it out and use it. Next, more pens. I got these pens. They look so pretty. These are ballpoint retractable pens in blue, purple and pink. Very nice clicky feel. And सबसे important, I got a huge pack of black, blue and red pens. They're all clicky ballpoint pens and I just thought that ये सबके लिए कितना useful होगा. I also got a little smartphone stand so you can watch my videos आराम से. This one's really tiny and compact and उसको like bend कर सकते हो in whatever shape you want. So I got a little mirror for you guys. You open it like this. One is like a normal wala and the other one is a zoomed in effect wala, so that you can like look at your makeup, look at your skincare, look at your shakal. This is a little bit like conventionally girly, but I tried to keep most of it conventionally gender neutral. Then I got a notebook. This is a really nice lined notebook. And I just thought it looked so cute and aesthetic. It's this really nice like pastel blue color. And baki do mein different patterns of the notebooks which I will show you. Next we got a little diary for a planner, for your journal, for writing down to-dos, little notes. And I got you little page flags. These are the plastic wale page flags so they don't get twisted and tarnished with use. And also in really nice colors. Oh, got a big fat sticky notes pack. This has 200 sticky notes sheets and it's in this very pretty pastel pink color. And I put in a little flower in every packet because with actual real flowers to ship kara nahi sakti hu. So I hope this will do because I don't know, it's cute. You can decorate it in your room. And I made these cards for each person. Obviously you cannot read them. Baki do bags mein I'll show you the different colors wali stuff. This green notebook instead of the blue one. And in the third one I got this very pretty pink notebook. It's got little cats and ice cream on it. And also, is packet mein I put in this book, which is This Is Not Your Story by Savi Sharma. When I posted my review of Everyone Is a Story by Savi Sharma, a lot of you guys recommended me to read this book. So I got it for myself also and for one of the winners also. So we can read it together. And I got the diary in this color for one person and in this color for the other person. Also, I got the pouch in blue and this beige color. And I got one person these blue page flags, the other person this yellow and orange sticky note. Also, yeah, one person got these colors in the pastel highlighters. And yeah, that is everything that I got for the giveaway winners. Also, don't worry if you don't win this time. I will keep doing giveaways as the channel keeps growing. So basically, I took a Google form of all the responses and then I put it in a Google sheet. And then I used my big brain to import the sheet into ChatGPT. So yeah, here it is. And I'm just gonna ask it to select any 3 names. Okay, we got the winners. We have Harleen Kaur, Jasmine Biswal and Saliha Fatima. I'm so excited. I will just text these people on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my little unboxing of everything I got. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Avashi Bish at Avashi's Coffee Shop. And I will see you very soon. Bye!